latest post of Cavite Vice Governor Jolo Revilla invited bashers. Revilla paid tribute to the 500th year of the Battle of Mactan that took place on April 27, 1521. Revilla, however, paid tribute to Ferdinand Magellan, who led the Spaniards in an attempt to conquer Cebu. It was Lapu-Lapu who defeated and killed Magellan on that historic day. Revilla had the post edited. But it only gave netizens another round of bashing. Some even recall the error of his mother. Bacoor Mayor Lani Mercado had mistakenly called the pandemic virus as COVID-14. Revilla has taken down the Facebook post and apologized to the public, explaining the mistake was made by an intern.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.